Hello everyone, good afternoon to you all. So I hope everybody is doing fine, and I'm also doing fine. Just the problem is like little bit of, as you know, that because of COVID everybody is in problem, right? So today as such I don't have work, but as you all know that winter is coming, right? So I thought of installing one fog lamp on the bike. So today I'll go there in the workshop. I'll meet with my friend who is mechanic out there. Then we'll install the fog lamp. I'll show you guys. And after that we'll do ride for some time. And as usual, back to the room. So if you like my video, please give like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel for interesting video in the future. So that's it, guys, and please watch the video till end, guys. The content is going to be very much informative and fun and entertaining. Well, guys, I'll see you guys on the road. So let's go. Well, guys, once again, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is doing fine. So as I told you guys, actually I don't have work, but as you can know, winter is approaching, so I'm gonna install the fog lamp. So here we go. यहाँ यो पछाडिको ब्रेकिङ पनि चेक गर्नुपर्ने रहेछ यार, पुरा विक लाग्दैछ. I'm feeling that my rear brake is not functioning properly, guys, so we'll check that also. I know this all riders, those who are riders, they will understand what I'm trying to say. Like, they just need one reason to come out from the room, to have ride. एउटा रिजन मात्रै चाहिन्छ क्या रुमदेखि बाहिर आउनुको लागि, राइड गर्नुको लागि. त्यो एभ्री राइडर्स क्यान नो द्याट. Finally here. So as you guys see, guys, this is how my bike looks. This is how the fog light looks. So I've done with it, installed. So now we'll go for a short ride, guys. So let's go. Oh, puppy. वेदरको बारेमा भन्नुपर्दा चाहिँ वेदर हुन त राम्रै भएको छ. लाइक जाडो हुन थालेको छ. बिहान बेलुका चाहिँ इट्स गेटिङ कोल्ड, and because of approaching winter, that's why I was installing this fog lamp, fog lamp लगाएको किनकि यहाँनिर चाहिँ लाइक इन पन्जाब एरिया, पन्जाब मात्रै हैन, जहीँ पनि इन्डियामा त्यस्तै हुन्छ. टु मच अफ फग इन विन्टर.
विन्टरमा पुरा फगी फगी हुन्छ बिहान 8-9 बजीसम्म कोही बेला त 10-11 बजीसम्म पनि फगी हुन्छ होइन सो बिकज अफ द्याट ओन्ली I was installing this one. So guys, like I just wanted to share you guys with some information which is of like changing the name of my YouTube channel, right? Because I have seen my previous YouTube channel name has been already owned by someone else in YouTube, and he has even like 1 to 2K subscriber I've seen. So I didn't feel like keeping that same name, so I just changed it into DRUK VG Biker. Like DRUK, the meaning of the DRUK is like dragon in our country of Bhutanese. In Bhutanese history and in Bhutanese religious context, the DRUK means the dragon, and BG is myself, Basan Gale, my name, and biker, you all can know, right? Literally, in our language, in our national language, Zongkha, we call our country, we name our country as a DRUK, right? DRUK, D-R-U-K, DRUK. So I hope you guys like the name. If you guys didn't like, then you can obviously comment down and suggest me for another good YouTube channel name. Obviously, I'll see it and I'll go through it. के को साउन्ड आयो ट्याक गरेर त टायर गयो जस्तो छ नि यस्तो बाटो पिछे चाहिँ टायर चाहिँ नगइदिए स्याड हुन्छ फेरि पनि बेलुका भयो एन्ड अन टप अफ द्याट इट इज सन्डे मोस्ट अफ द shops are closed in Sunday, no? So please don't, my dear tire. So please don't. Well guys, रात पनि पर्ला जस्तो छ, अँध्यारो पनि हुन आँट्यो। घर फर्किन त अँध्यारो हुन्छ होला, अँध्यारो भयो भने त। मेरो क्यामेरा त फेरि त्यस्तै खालको छ हो, खतरा। गोप्रोले भन्दा खतरा तान्दिन्छ गाइस राति त। अपोजिट गरेर केही देख्दैन राति। एक्सपेन्सिभ पनि खतरा एक्सपेन्सिभ हो नि त। गोप्रो भन्दा एक्सपेन्सिभ हो गाइस। सिर्फ 5000। होइन मैले यो जस्ट होइन गाइस लाइक बिगिनिङको लागि अब जस्ट स्टार्ट गर्नुको लागि प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुको लागि अब कन्फिडेन्टहरू बिल्डअप गर्नु पर्यो होइन मोटो भ्लगिङ गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि जुनै भ्लगिङ गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि अब कन्फिडेन्ट त हुन्छ नि त जहाँ पनि क्यामेरा यसो गर्नुपर्छ होइन मान्छेको अगाडि कहाँ के यताउता हेर्नु हुँदैन कन्फिडेन्ट त हुनु पऱ्यो नि त होइन सो मैले त्यो जस्ट कन्फिडेन्ट बिल्डअप गर्नुको लागि प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुको लागि किनेको थियो क्यामेरा अहिले त्यही युज गरिरहेको छु सो आई गेस आई हेभ टु रिफिल आउट हियर रिफिल गरिदिउँ अलिकति होइन त्यहाँदेखि विल गो कता गर्नुपर्ने हो भाइ साहब like guys if you haven't followed me on Instagram and my Facebook page, so name and link must be coming down there. You can see it's BG Biker, like Instagram also BG Biker, DRUK BG Biker, and in Facebook page is there, and it's also DRUK BG Biker. So you can follow me on Facebook page and Instagram, in which the latest updates and everything will be seen much before than in YouTube videos. YouTube मा भन्दा छिटो देख्नु पाउँछ Instagram र उसमा किनभने म स्टोरीहरु हाल्छु हैन के गर्दैछ कस्तो गर्दैछ कहाँ छ कुन कुन न्यूज अब लेटेस्ट अपडेट्सहरु हैन बाइकको बारेमा it will be coming first in Facebook page and Instagram. So please do follow if you want to know the latest update and informations on bike. So now I'm near to my PG. Karam pugna aatyo hai. So today I guess I'll end my vlog here only. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog, next episode, which will be coming tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Yes, because at that time there will be some vlog of Dasai will be there. It will be there also. Dasai ko pani त्यही हुन्छ guys, हेर्नु हैन. Stay tuned. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Love you all guys and keep supporting. And bye bye. Good night. See you in the next vlog. Signing out, DRUK Biker.